Shemai, Rachel's Rambles number 26. I'm going to take you on a couple of little shopping trips today. So I've recently been to the new Southern Ukulele Store down in Bournemouth and Bass Direct, which is the bass specialist shop in the UK. So we'll go to them in a moment, but I just want to spend a couple of minutes giving you a few updates and explain what's been going on here at Ukulele Wales. So we've just finished the first half term where I haven't been a classroom teacher full time. So since September, I've sorted out my new online lessons. I've got students now all over the world. They're all up and running. And I've got the ukulele project work with the primary schools. I had to go and sort out the actual ukuleles and instruments, how I was going to get them around and things. So they're all up and running as well. So they're all working fantastically at the minute. Lots of festivals, events and gigs. And of course now I've got a bit more time. I can actually go to those as well. So I'm just going to go back to the beginning of this year, 2024, for a moment. Just won a Yuki. Everything was looking great, but underneath the surface, things really weren't right, especially with the schoolwork. I just wasn't enjoying it. Come February, my mental health had taken a massive battering. I got signed off on the sick. And I had to make some really, really difficult decisions about my future. Did I want to carry on doing a job that was making me ill, or did I want to take the risk, come out of that and try and build myself some kind of new career? Well, that's where we are now. I'm the other side of my first half term. Okay, financially, I'm not quite sorted yet. But mentally and physically, I am in a much, much better place. I am aware, though, that my content on Ukulele Wales hasn't quite been where I'd like it to be. Ukuleleans I've had to give up on for a bit, but that is coming back very, very soon. But yeah, I've kept to the easy things, doing reviews. The vlogs, they sort of happen naturally anyway. But yeah, I haven't really been doing many lessons on Ukulele Wales. I haven't been doing many things where I've had to really plan videos. I just haven't been in the right place, but I am back. Webb's World, which I decided to start in September because I really wanted to see the progress and things I was making and get Richard, my husband, more involved in things. Because at the end of the day, this is our future we're planning at the minute. So yeah, Webb's World, I've worked really, really hard on that since September, to the point where the last few weeks I have just been like this. Just tunnel vision to get up to date. But as of today, I am up to date on it. I am just exporting last week's video now, which will be up in the next day or so. So please, if you fancy going to check out what else I do, there is a lot of ukulele stuff on there, mind, I'm just saying. But if you want to check out what else I've been up to, go along, Webb's World. I'll pop a link in the description. So yeah, I am up to date with that, and so therefore big plans to come back with Ukulele Wales. Okay, I've got loads of ideas in terms of what I want to be doing for lessons on Ukulele Wales and tutorials and showing you about techniques and stuff. I want to be getting back to doing amplifiers, getting back to doing electric ukuleles and pedals and so on. So yeah, I am smiling because I can see now the future and I'm in control of it. So who wants to go shopping then? Myself and Richard, hubby, a few weeks ago, went up to the NEC Motorhome and Caravan Show in Birmingham. Now, Bass Direct is in Warwick, which is just a little bit south of Birmingham. So we thought we'd take a detour on the way home, call in the shop. We weren't there for very long. We got there right at the end of the day. The reason I wanted to go there, though, was because I wanted to take a bass guitar and part exchange it. So this is Bass Direct. Right, a manic day so far. We made it to Warwick. Richard wouldn't trust the sat-nav, but he's learned now the hard way. So yeah, we're going to have a little look. I've brought a bass up with me, so they're taking a little look at the minute, but just take a look at this. I've looked at their website for so many years and I've bought so many things online from them, but to actually be here in person, Right, we've got a few colours in here, a couple of U bases. We've got the solid body in black. Look, it's the new California U bass with the new pickup system on it. What a boot. Oh God, it's heavy. It's much heavier than the Nick West. Okay, so it's got a, I think it's Koa top, ash back. I couldn't think of the word then. This one's fretted. It's much heavier than I thought it was going to be honest. But there we are. I'm not buying this today, I'm afraid. I got the Nick West model. That'll do me for now. Nice, so. Cool. Just carefully pick up that GR. Richard is just picking up one of the new GR cabs. Honestly, very even light. Compared to barefaced, one finger job.
Very light.
Stunning though. There's some Warwicks now then. Look at that. If you know me and you know the Mini I used to have, my Mini was that colour. And I used to have a thumb as well. So if you're a bass player in the UK and you haven't heard of Bass Direct, you really ought to have. Oh, it was lovely visiting the shop. I've bought so much stuff there over the years, but to actually go there in person was very, very nice. And to actually see and pick up one of the new California U basses by Carla, that was lush. Then a couple of weeks ago, me and Jude were down in Eastbourne for the Bracklesham weekend, which was awesome. Go and check out the video if you haven't already watched that. Highly recommended. And again, we decided to take a little detour. I think it took us 3.5, maybe even 4 hours to get from Eastbourne to Bournemouth, but we went to check out the new Southern Ukulele Store, which is inside a bigger music shop, Absolute Music. Now, I'm going to show you the Southern Uke Store, but if you want to go and check out the Absolute Music shop as well, go and check out my Webb's World vlog. I don't know what number it is, but I'll pop a link in the description below. So we're in the new shop, and wow, I'm looking at the basses to start with, straight off. And I know Romeo has got the new Flight Mini, that colour one, haven't you?
How did you know that?
Because you tell us on Facebook.
Oh, what? I know nothing.
Which is just lush, but oh look, good range of the Flight ones up the top. And then, if we go down, we can see the Fender, and then a couple of Carlas as well. But let's just have a little look. Ukuleles. We got Romeo working with us today.
Hello.
Hey! He's having a little look at Jude's ukulele. But yeah, as Gunsy said, the desk where the magic happens. If you want ukulele strings, this is literally the best place in the country. Look at all of those.
I think we carry more ukulele string brands than any other place.
In the world, I'm going to say.
Probably.
Yeah. Oh, and we missed that. Seeing Sammy, 4-string boy. And Tyler as well. And of course Alex. So yeah, we couldn't go to that because we were down in Eastbourne. Gutted. Can you spot yourself on the wall of fame? Oh, I've just spotted myself. I'm still there. I was Gunsy. panic, the sofa is still in here. So yeah, this is the new Southern Ukulele Store within Absolute Music. But as Romeo's just said, they've got the same number of ukuleles up on the wall that they had in the old shop. So yeah, don't worry, they've got plenty of ukuleles here. Can't see it very well, but look, they're their Uki Awards, proudly displayed as well. Yeah, they've actually got a Carla California U bass, a used one in stock. They're waiting for the new ones to come over as well. And some of the Carla Revelators. Romeo has been brilliant so far, but he's gone to look at cases. Jude, what can you get in your pockets?
I don't know, but I'd like to get in and watch it, really.
Should we do it?
Yeah.
Should we just go for it?
Yeah.
Okay. You do that wall.
Right.
I'll do that wall. And we'll leave a few of them then already. Alex, Phil, Romeo, we would never ever do that to you. So it was a brilliant day going there. It was a long day. We left Eastbourne at 9:30 in the morning and I got back to home here at 9 o'clock at night. But seeing the new shop, Romeo looked after us brilliantly. So yeah, definitely worth the trip if you can do it. So yeah, those were a couple of weeks ago. I have even managed to fit in a sneaky little trip to Aberdare a couple of days ago. They had a little ukulele festival and that was really nice, catching up with people like Sean, some of the other Cool Hand Uke members who I haven't seen for a little while, and watching the lovely Jeff Japers again. He's so funny. If you ever get the chance to see Jeff Japers, I highly recommend it. Let's go and find some ukulele players. I can see a couple of familiar faces so far. How cool is that dragon? Wow. So just having a little break at the minute. Jeff Japers is just setting up his stuff.
Sometimes I like driving the boat on the Sunday afternoon. I'll take the car for a run. I like to drive through big tunnels like a bullet from the gun. Wait for the sound effect. Then I can't find junction 31. Oh, what's up, baby? Won't you tell me which junction 31? I'm thinking maybe I'm the only one to notice that it's gone.
And that's what these community events are all about, is getting the local groups playing. So yeah, really, really nice. Time to head home now though. And again though, there is a much larger chunk in one of my Web's World vlogs of the Aberdare Ukulele Festival as well. I'm trying to sort of keep them so that they're separate, but they do cross over a little bit. So we're flying towards the end of 2024 at the minute. It's been a manic year. There have been some huge lows, but there have been some huge highs as well. And I am smiling. I feel like I've come out of it the other end. But we are heading towards Christmas. We've got a huge Christmas do. Opera Lely are coming down to play. I am so looking forward to that. We've got various bits and pieces with Cool Hand Ukes and Ukamaniacs as well. And it's coming up for the time for the Ukies again. Now, hang on. This still puts a smile on my face because I won Ukulele Personality of the Year. We're on the 19th of November as I'm filming this. I am hoping it is going to be out in the next day or so because the nominations close for the Uki Awards on the 24th of November. So please Pretty please with sugar on top. If you'd like to nominate me for one of the categories, you haven't got long to do so, and I'll pop a link in the description for that. And 2025 is looking busy as well at the minute. I've been asked to do some workshops, bass workshops in various festivals. So I'm really looking forward to that. Ukumaniacs, we are booked in to play in the Pembroke Ukender Festival again. Don't worry, I'll be giving you all of these dates next year. We're playing in Shrookfest on the main stage. I am going to be involved with Bracklesham a lot more, and I'm already booked in to go to the Isle of Wight. And I'm hoping to do Eastbourne next year as well. So there's loads and loads of really exciting things looking to the future. So yeah, 2025 is looking very exciting at the minute. And I am looking forward to Christmas this year as well. I do have a Patreon page, so if you'd like to support me on there, I'll pop a link in the description below. But I've got to say at this point, thank you to my patrons, but also thank you all, because without the support here on Ukulele Wales and Ukuleleans, I couldn't be doing this now. I would probably still be stuck in school, unhappy and not getting on with my life. So thank you guys, because honestly, I can't put into words how much the difference makes knowing YouTube, Patreon, you guys, because that's what it is at the end of the day, have enabled me to get to this point. So that's Rachel's Rambles, number 26. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. As always, if you've got any comments or questions, please feel free, leave them below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.